I'm the floor manager here in Xiamen factory. It's here where we assemble all Bugaboo strollers. We work as a team and talk with each other to improve the line. The operators are multi-skilled, so nobody has to do the same work.
Our strollers are inspected and tested to make sure the quality is stable. We're looking for function, structure to make sure everything is okay.
Here we do the stitching. It takes a lot of steps to make all the fabrics. Our most skilled stitchers have more than 10 years of experience.
It's important to have a break, so every day we have some moment to relax.